Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is I, Karen Denis, back with another video. Now in today's video, I want to share with you a glimpse inside my master bathroom. So if you're interested in seeing how I turn my master bathroom into my little spa oasis, then stay tuned. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time that I upload a video. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing that you'll see as you enter my bathroom to the right is this 3-tier caddy. Now on it I keep my Dove body wash and my bath bombs. I also have this faux plant that I purchased from Marshall's. This bathtub caddy is my absolute favorite. Here is where I can store my cell phone, my iPad mini, and even enjoy a glass of wine. And I absolutely love it. I placed this wooden candle holder and candle on the tub just also to give it that spa-like feel. I purchased this large glass jar from Home Goods, and inside I filled it with Epsom salt. Now, there's nothing better than using Epsom salt when you have those aching muscles. This wine decanter I normally keep filled with bubble bath. As you can see, I need to give it a refill. Next to the tub, I have this wooden stool, and on top I have this candle from Bath and Body Works, and I believe the fragrance is black teak wood. I also have this coaster which I purchased from Pier 1 years ago. I have towels hanging above the tub, and holding the center towel is a wooden curtain holder that I purchased from Ross. The pictures above the towel bar were a DIY. I purchased the frames from Ross and simply took pictures of the seashells and printed them out, and voila. This faux plant was also a DIY. I purchased the faux grass from Michaels and also the wooden box from Michaels as well. And I used a 50% off coupon. Now normally something like this would run around $50, but I only paid $21 for everything. I even purchased the rocks that are inside from the Dollar Tree. The word relax was Pinterest inspired, and I absolutely love this. I purchased the letters from Hobby Lobby, and I waited for them to go on sale. They are normally $9.99 a piece, so I waited for them to go on sale for 50% off and then hung them on the wall. And voila, there you have it. This area above the toilet was an empty space, so I purchased shelves from Lowe's and then decorated it with items from the thrift store and some towels and items from Ross, and I love it. On the opposite wall is another picture, and it's the actual original picture that came inside the frames that I did the DIYs on. And I just chose to leave this picture as is. And then below there is some hand towels that I also purchased from JCPenney. Next to that is this huge vase that I purchased from At Home several years ago, and I placed inside these wooden sticks from Ross. Here is the vanity that I did a video on, and if you're interested in seeing those items, then I will do a iCard above. And then as you pan around, there is my toothbrush holder and soap holder, And above there is my medicine cabinet. And next to my vanity is this sliding door walk-in closet, which is mirrored. And as I pan around the room, there is my shower chair that I normally use whenever I am, well, hurting too bad to stand up to take a shower. And then I have my bathroom scale. Here is my glass shower, and on it I placed a decal that says "Get Naked." And I purchased this from eBay. This is definitely a conversation piece. And on the back of the door, I have this towel rack, which is also where I keep my back scratcher, my robe, and in the bag, I keep my spa brush. And as I pan around, you can see that the entire bathroom has wallpaper. Wallpaper, wallpaper everywhere. So my plan in the future is to remove the wallpaper and paint the walls a pretty gray. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this tour. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.